In this tutorial, we are going to create a double air clip with the help of SolidWorks surface feature. I don't have drawing, so let's follow these steps. First, I'm going to choose one plane, right plane, sketch, draw a circle, so activate circle tool and start from origin point. Right click, select an out, and here drop down the line and choose center line and draw one vertical and horizontal line from origin. See, right click, select out. Now here choose trim entity, select power trim and press and hold left mouse and drag over line, and see, this is going to trim. Say OK. Activate smart dimension and define the radius 35. OK. Now we need to exit, choose top plane. Top plane exactly lies at bottom of this body. So sketch. Now here I am going to choose ellipse. Okay. Now the important part, I am going to select these horizontal points and select here horizontal. Similarly, select these vertical points and select this origin also vertical. Smart dimension, define the distance 30, 25. Okay, center line and draw one center line because I want to use half circle. Trim entity, power trim, just press and hold left mouse and drag over line. See, this is going to trim. Still the drawing is not fully defined. So I am going to select this curve, hold shift key, select this point. Here choose make pierce. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Exit, go to surface and here choose swept surface. Now path and profile, choose sketch. Now here the profile already selected, path, let me choose this. You will see the preview. Okay, that's fine. Now this is one portion. Now I'm going to let's do some other portion. I'm going to create one plane. So plane, I'm going to select plane, front plane, because front plane lies at this point, and second reference, select the mid plane of this curve. See, you will see this dotted yellow line, this is the mid. Now look, see, okay. Now select this plane one, sketch, activate circle and let's draw the clip bottom part. Draw two circle, select and out. Now activate center line. Connect, exit. Okay. Now select this line, uncheck construction geometry and make sure line. Now select center point, hold shift key and this is origin point. Vertical relation, smart dimension. Now this radius, diameter 50 and this one diameter 20. 20. Okay. Let's drop down. Activate here 3-point arc. Start from this end to this. Now select this curve and this circle tangent relation. This is important relation. Select this line and this curve tangent relation. Is still not defined. Smart dimension 15. Look, it seems fully defined. Mirror entity. Now select this curve. Make sure select copy, mirror about. Okay, we need one line here. So I am going to draw one center line. Draw one vertical center line. Select this one, copy, mirror about this line. Trim entity. Now just power trim and trim this one. Now we have one close profile. Say OK. Go to surface and activate planar surface. Now see, by default this selected. OK. Hide this plane. Now see the preview. Now we need to connect this. Before going to connect, we will do little modification on this. So which plane it's going to lie at? Right plane. Sketch. Activate here 3-point arc. And I'm going to connect with this to this. Smart dimension. Now distance from these 2 points 3 millimeter. Vertical distance 25. Okay. One more. Now select this outer curve and this curve. Tangent relation. This is important. Delete. Now look, it seems fully defined. Now I want to trim this portion so that we will get a perfect shape. Trim surface. Now here is sketch selected. Here select keep selection. If you move your cursor, you will see 2 options. If you select this orange portion, see, now these blue portion going to delete because we selected here keep selection. Split natural standard. Look, those outer things removed. Let's go to boundary surface. Now I want to connect with these two. Now direction. So I'm going to select this curve and this flat surface. Both end points are here. Now here selected none. So I'm going to choose tangent to faces. And here you have to define tangent length. This one also keep tangent to faces. You will see the preview. 1 millimeter apply to all. And here see aligned with geometry. Now merge tange faces. Look, the shape perfectly. Now half portion is done. Activate mirror. Now plane, reference plane, front plane, boundaries, bodies to mirror. Now if you drop down here, we have 3 bodies. So let me select one by one all. See, here we can select here, but later we will knit it, so no need to do this. Say OK. Now here we have too many bodies. So again surface, knit. Now select all bodies one by one. If you want to put any gap or anything, you can do it, tolerance or something. Now see, we have one body. Now you can apply thickness. Before knitting, you can't apply thickness. Otherwise, you have to apply thickness on all individually. Now, thickness 3 millimeter. Let's select. Now material goes inside. Okay. You can change the thickness inside, outside or both side. Fillet. Constant type fillet size 1 millimeter, and here choose symmetric. Now I'm going to select one edge. Select this outside edge also. Now just check, say OK, and later we will check. Just check which shapes are not going to perfectly align or something. Oh, they see the back side is not going to align. So again, I'm going to same edit. See, this is sharp edges. Select this sharp edge. Similarly, this side. Okay. Now let's move to other side. Okay, here see sharp edge. Okay, let's do it again, and later we will check which anything balance or something. No, I think we did. Okay. See, this is double air clip. It is mainly used for electrical purpose. Brushed material. See. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.